How to import a MOGRT in Premiere Pro. Go to the Windows tab and go to Essential Graphics. In the Essential Graphics panel, make sure you're in the Browse tab. In the bottom right corner of the Essential Graphics panel, there is a button called Install Motion Graphics Template. Click on it and the import window will appear. And browse to where the MOGRT file is on your computer. Select it and press Open. Your MOGRT file will be in the My Templates folder in the Essential Graphics folder. Select the MOGRT file and drag and drop the MOGRT file into the timeline. You will be able to make changes to your MOGRT file by selecting the MOGRT in your timeline, and then go to the Edit tab in the Essential Graphics panel. When working with MOGRT files, you may get a red line above the timeline. All you have to do is press the Return key on a Mac or the Enter key on the Windows computer to render your timeline. If you want to delete a MOGRT file, right-click on it and press Delete. And if you want to import multiple MOGRTs at once, you can place all the MOGRTs you want to import in a new folder on your computer. Then, in the Essential Graphics panel, go to Local Templates and click on the plus icon. Browse to the folder that has all the MOGRTs on your computer and press Choose. All the MOGRTs that you imported will now be in the Local Templates section. And make sure the Local Templates folder is enabled. And you will see all the MOGRT files here. And this is how you import MOGRTs in Premiere Pro. Like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials, and I'll see you on the next one.